Muhammad Umar Farooq biological video. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Ask the question for answer and comment about the artwork perspective. So in this video we will talk about the water potential in plant cell. So the water potential in plant and the water potential is the necessary for the conduction of water, transpiration and absorption of the water for the plant. So the water potential is the key to remain survive the plant. So here is the water. There is the water molecule contain two hydrogen element and one oxygen. There's the two partial positive charge of hydrogen and partial negative charge of oxygen. There's the hydrogen bonding between partial negative charge of oxygen, which that attract the partial positive charge of hydrogen. There's also sodium potassium that is also attract to each other, attract toward the water. So here that is why the hydrogen bonding is occur due to the semi donation of electron. That's the attraction of the electron of hydrogen and oxygen. So that's the hydrogen bonding is very important. That's why the water live in the liquid phase, and when we will provide the heat, that's hydrogen bonding is detached and that's the will vaporized. So here the water has kinetic energy in their molecules more pure, more kinetic energy. It means that here is the movement and there is the random movement of the molecule in the medium of the water. That is the water molecule, and here is the can evaporate by the providing of more energy. So the detachment due to the hydrogen bonding. So here is the kinetic energy which that is used for the releasing of the hydrogen bonding to go into the air as a vapor, that is known as water gas also. So kinetic energy, we will discuss about the equation of kinetic energy is that Ke is equal to 1/2 mv square. So here is the m is equal to mass and 1/v2 squares mean the initial velocity to final velocity, and that's divided by 2 velocity. So that's 2 velocity is equal to 1/2 v square. So that is why kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. So here is the we will talk about the water molecule mass. The water molecule's mass m basically is equal to m. That's the greater the water molecule, greater the kinetic energy. So that's very simple, because water molecule is more in the medium and not solute or present too much, so the kinetic energy is more, and this is called water potential. So that is called the water potential. So remember it. That's the water potential is denoted by the psi and below the small letter of W. So the below of small letter of W which show is here. That water potential mean the water has tendency to move from higher region of the concentration of water molecule to the lower concentration of the water molecule between that's when arrange the semi-permeable membrane. So here is the plant cell which that is less water inside, but solute is more. Solute means the sodium ion, salt and minerals. That's more than water will move inside, because it creates the osmotic gradients outside which that go inside by the passive transport. So energy will be not used for it. So here the solute concentration, that is osmotic or solute potential is equal to psi s, that is shown in here. That's a basically solute concentration will be produced. It means the solute potential also has, it means the more solute, less water. That's the solute will be more attract the water. So that's the potential of solute. I mean when water tendency to absorb the water, that solute which that is salt which that absorb, and that absorption of the water, there's the solute potential will be decreased, because that is the after the complete the process, and water will be complete inside movement, and there's a stop the movement due to the more water, and there's the expand of the cell due to the more water, and their cell wall is pressure inside and the vacuole pressure outside. So both direction of the pressure is known as pressure potential, that is shown in the psi p. There's a pressure potential mean the molecule of water and molecule of solution that have ability to move outside by the bursting of the cell. So there's a impossible to burst, but some plant will be burst due to the pressure potential increasing. So the pressure potential is meaning that the psi p is denoted by that's the pressure generated when water enter. That's the one when water will be enter inside. That's the pressure generate, and that pressure is called as psi p. That's the pressure potential. There's a turgidity of turgidity of cell due to pressure potential. So that's why the turgidity will be produced. The turgid of the plant basically due to the inside movement of the water, because against the osmotic basically toward the osmotic gradients, because that is the outside is water more and inside is salt more, then water will be follow to the salt for the absorption. So in this case when salt, so here I will draw a concept about the here is a semi-permeable membrane, which that are the membrane of the cell, which that is outside the gradients produced, which that is the potassium and sodium ions gradient. Inside is much more as compared to the outside. So the here is the aquaporin channel, which that is used as a semi-permeable membrane. Then the water will move inside because inside is less. So the here is the outside is a water potential is positive, then positive water potential move inside of the cell toward, and that's ultimately become a negative after the moving inside. So that's it's common sense. When inside the water move, there's a water potential will be inside is also less, and outside is also less, because inside the solute will be dissolved into the water, and the water will not able to move outward again. So that is the water potential going to negative. More molecule of the water will be more molecule of solute is when solute will be increased. When solute will be increased, the water potential is decreased, because the increase of the water solute, that's the increase of the solute which that is not able to diffuse the water to another medium. So that's the here is the water potential is equal to negative. So less solute mean the less solute will be water potential is decreased, because is less solute in the semi-permeable membrane basically, and there is the salt is present. If so, water will be move. If not salt is present, so water will not move from one place to another. So that is the important things, because the solute, if low solute, the water potential is low, but it means it doesn't mean the water potential is not, water potential is zero when you put the solute in the semi-permeable membrane. In the other hand, so the water potential will be increased. So that is the major reason which that I am explaining, and I am giving the concept, the basic. So here the outer is less pressure of water and inside high water potential. So the inside high water potential due to the absorption of the water, and then the water will go outside due to the too much water, and turgidity is the responsible for the water move outside by the turgid of the plant. So when water enters plant cell by osmosis, there's a water entering due to the osmosis, the pressure may be built up inside the cell. That's potential, making cell turgid and in basically increasing the cell turgidity and increase the pressure potential. So remember it, that the pressure potential will be increased due to the turgidity of the cell, due to the turgidity of the cell due to the entering of the water inside. That's inflate the cell and ultimately can be burst due to the increase the water pressure potential. So basically the pressure potential is two directional because inside move water outward and the cell wall is used to repel against the outside. So that is the important things. Now here we will talk about the basics. Total water potential is equal to total water potential is equal to psi w. So the simple thing is that the psi w is the major composition of the solute potential and pressure potential. That is the equal to solute potential and pressure potential. So it means the solute potential will be high, so it means the water potential will be high, because if solute is too much, so if solute is too much, the water will be able to move from that place, and that is why. So here is the, if solute is more here, then the water will move inside. So that is the basic reason, and water will increase, so it means the pressure potential will be also increase, and both composition of the pressure potential and solute potential, the result of that is known as collectively water potential. That is known as water potential. That the water potential is due to the combination of the solute potential and pressure potential. So water potential is the basically solute. Here is the solute potential and here is the pressure potential. They both are increased. That the combination of that increase is equal to increase the water potential. So I hope you make sense about these things. That's easy and not complication. That's a slightly confusion, but it's okay. So here is the water will be move outside to the create the water potential by increasing the pressure potential and solute potential. That's the solute potential mean outside will be more solute, then water will be go outside because too much water has moved inside. So that is why. So there is the equation is simple and you can remember it, and that's the easy to. So both is the solute, if more solute and there's the more water potential, because if we will put the solute in the semi-permeable membrane in the one place, one part, and then water will move toward the solute. And another way is the pressure potential. That's pressure potential increase and then inflate the cell, that's the water move outside. So here is the plant which that has a root and shoot system that's used for the evaporation, that is known as transpiration. That's a transpiration is due to the water potential. That's a soil has also soil potential and water potential. That's a soil is too much water, that's a in the soil is water will be high, it means water potential will be high and water will move toward by root absorption. So if water will be more, then absorption will be more, and water will be not more absorption. So here is the root here, which that is the epidermis, and the endodermis is inside, is shown in the brown color. And there's the xylem and vascular cambium is present, and inside is the xylem and outside is the phloem, that is used for the water conduction. So that's the important things which that is I am explaining about the previous. So here is the basic concept which that is built for the water potential in the plant. So here is the we can cross section of the hair is that is the soil contain water, and then water will be moved by a root hair. That's the root hair is the upper part of the epidermis cells which create the root hair. So here the epidermis which that is create the root hair which that absorb the water by inside the basically in the soil. Water potential is high, so that means water will move toward the because water has potential, positive potential. There's a positive potential move toward the negative. So here is the clear that the water potential will be increases here before the decrease, and water potential if increase and the another farther way the cell is decrease, the water potential go more inside and ultimately go into the xylem for the conduction. So there the water potential is where the water potential is decreased, then the water move toward the lower side of this water. So there's a where water is low, the water will be moved from their place, and there is the plasmodesmata is present which that is used for the as a semi-permeable membrane. And there's a soil which that contain the water potential is known as H2O is high, and if H2O is the water is low in the soil, but inside the plant root water is more, there's the here is the evaporation will be not produced, so water will not move outward because semi-permeable membrane is present which that is not allowed to move outside in the soil in the due to the root here. So water can absorb but not reabsorb into the soil, so that's the negative is not possible. So these things is basically is understanding about that the xylem vessel which that conduct the water by absorption of, here is the pit that is known as simple pit, and here is the semi-permeable membrane which that is present in the cell, and here is the outer region of the soil which that contain a water, and the soil is known as the soil has potential if too much water in the soil and inside of the cell is not too much water, so the water will move inside the cell will be turgid. So here the salt and mineral are present in the plant cells which that absorb the water, and there's absorption of the water is due to the potential water potential outside is more, so that is why the water will be moved inside. There's a positive water potential will decrease by the osmosis to become a negative water potential. There's a here the positive water potential, there's a less water potential in the cell negative, so the positive water potential is moved by osmosis or diffusion by the negative toward the negative water potential due to the salt and minerals that the solute is present more inside the cell as compared to the outside of the soil, so the water will move inside by the following by the follow of the solute. So there's the solute if more, the water will be more inside, so that the water potential is decreased by the adding inside of the cell. So ultimately at that last time the water will be ultimately stop to move, so that is the basically equalize both sides to maintain the water potential, and here is the water turgidity will be produced, that is known as pressure potential. That's the pressure potential created by the increasing of the basically when too much water is produced, that the water is produced. So here is the potential, the formula is that the potential is can measure by the Pascal. Thus a Pascal is equal to force over area, that's a force in Newton per meter square, that's the here is the basically kilogram per meter plus, and that's the basic is here is the potential which that are toward inside movement by a hand which that is ball is fluid filled ball which that are exert the force outside, that's the outside exertion of force That's the opposite force which we produce. That's create the water potential too. That's why the water can move outside by the force that is known as pressure potential. If pressure potential is high, so the water will move inside to outside. Here is the example and experimental verification of the water potential is here. There is the stand which that attach the tube with the glass like structure of the tube which contain the two head, and there's a two fork like structure is here, and the water potential is zero if not solute is present. The pure water potential is zero. Zero mean maximum. So maximum mean when add the sugar in the tube, there's a semi-permeable membrane between them, and there's a semi-permeable membrane, and here's the solute will be increased in one side. There's a create the water potential in the another side. There's water potential is positive, and that's move toward the solute. I mean sugar. That's move toward the solute to clear the water potential, so that the equalize again the water potential, but the water will be decreased in one side due to the absorption by osmosis. If the semi-permeable membrane is present is here, that's here is the pressure potential will be increased, and solute potential is if increased, that's the water potential is increased. So it means we have increased the solute, then the water potential will be increased. So when ultimately pressure potential will be increased by the adding, so it means the pressure potential will be increased. It means the pressure is more to become a downward because of too much water, and ultimately semi-permeable membrane can be burst if too much water will be produced. That's the weight of the water can be burst the semi-permeable membrane. So there the here is the will become a negative water potential after the positive water potential consuming from one side here to here. There's a here to here move. There's a water potential is decreasing. So I hope you make some sense about that things with that water potential in the plant, and that's if not here is the pressure will be decreased. And if you have not any idea about the water potential, please comment below and ask the question for answer. And first of all, I want to give a question for as a exercise. So here's the two cells with that our water potential is minus 120 kilopascal, and the another is the water potential is equal to negative 8,000 basically 800 kilopascal, and there's the pressure potential is equal to 200 kilopascal, and the another cell is the cell B is the solute potential is equal to pressure potential is equal to 600, and solute potential is equal to minus 200, and that's the basic you can imagine there's the high water potential and water moving. What is the cell which that is complete this question? The water moving direction by osmosis and equilibrium, pressure potential and solute potential. What is you can calculate and check the basic things, and please comment below about this answer. Thanks for watching.